Welcome to Lane Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is Avail Car Share a scam? No. Avail Car Share is 100% legitimate. Let me give you the reason why. They're owned by their parent company, Allstate Insurance. Allstate's a very well-known, popular company with a popular slogan, "Are you in good hands?" They're also traded on a New York Stock Exchange, and you can find their information through the United States Security Exchange Commission that monitors public companies. And when you're a public company, that means they have to file their taxes on time. They have to file a lot of paperwork and to show that they're complying with the states of the law because they're granted this access. So they are a public company. They are legitimate because they're owned by Allstate. Also, Allstate owns another insurance company that's worth billions, National General, as well. And National General used to be a part of General Motors. General Motors is also traded on the New York Stock Exchange, stock ticker GM, and you can find stock ticker for Allstate ALL. Put it in Google, your search engine, look it up, see I'm telling the truth. So Avail is a legitimate company. They're very transparent. And a matter of fact, Allstate used to be owned by Sears, and Sears had a brand for their tire called Allstate, and the tires were named Allstate tires, and they had tubes that it would sell for cars that were named Allstate, and they decided to give that same name to their insurance portion, Allstate. This Allstate was a part of Sears. Sears became Allstate. Allstate acquired National General. National General was owned by General Motors, and now General Motors and Allstate are both trade on New York Stock Exchange. They're very much public companies. They're legitimate. And the cool thing about this, General Motors also owns OnStar. You know what OnStar is in the car? OnStar and OnStar Insurance. So these are all very transparent companies. And the point I'm making is that these parent companies own these secondary companies, and they're definitely legitimate. But that's my opinion. Do your own due diligence. I'm just your friend on YouTube. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research. I'm telling the truth. Like, subscribe, share. Carl Layn out. Peace. And no, Avail is not a scam. Carl Layn out.